A disagreement or a misunderstanding between the Guam judiciary and the Guam Attorney General's office has caused a number of petty misdemeanors to be dismissed in the last few weeks, including a case against Senator Adolfo Palacios, which went before Judge Elizabeth Barrett Anderson this morning. Palacios had been accused of hitting a vehicle in the parking lot of the Outrigger Hotel and then leaving the scene. But Judge Barrett Anderson dismissed the case because no one from the Attorney General's office showed up to prosecute the case. Court spokesman Josh Tenorio confirms that a number of cases have been dismissed in recent weeks for the same reason.
In the last few weeks, we did a rotation in traffic court, and Senior Judge Pro Tem Elizabeth Barrett Anderson has now assigned that particular docket, and both she and the magistrate judge, Judge Tolentino, have been working on a revamp of traffic rules. And basically, in taking a look at the statute, it looks like the AG should be sending prosecutors to prosecute those violations that are being charged as petty misdemeanors.
According to Tenorio, a small claims hearing officer had previously been assigned to the traffic court. The small claims officer had allowed cases to be prosecuted without a prosecutor from the Attorney General's office present. But Judge Barrett Anderson has been dismissing those cases under the grounds of due process.
Judge Anderson, who has extensive knowledge, is a former AG and has a code of judicial conduct that she professionally lives by, basically made a determination that she could not allow residents to be prosecuted without a prosecutor present to prosecute the case. And unfortunately, the police officers are not prosecutors. They're there to provide evidence and reports, but they're not supposed to be prosecuting.
PNC attempted to reach the Attorney General's office for comment several times today, but our phone calls and emails were not returned as of mid-afternoon. According to Tenorio, the judiciary and the Attorney General's office will meet tomorrow to straighten out the issue. And as for the cases that have already been dismissed, Tenorio says it'll be up to the Attorney General's office to file charges again.
I would say that it'll be up then to the government to look at the statute and see the statute of limitations, whether or not they could file another case. So it really will be in the hands of the people.
Senator Palacios sent a statement to the media today following the dismissal of his case, saying that the judge dismissed the charges against him and that he is thankful that the case is closed. Betsy Brown, PNC News.